Hey guys, Harvey's Cheshire Kid 123 here. Sorry if it's a little dark. I don't want any glares in this video, so forgive me. Anyway, what we see here today, I believe it's a 56-inch or 60-inch evergo industrial fan, dated. That says on the housing there. I'll add in the description below. Anyway, this fan's in brown finish. I got this fan from Brian, not Brian Griswold, the other Brian. I have to get his YouTube channel name in the description also. I paid, I think it was $30, $35 I paid for this fan. And I'm not keeping this fan forever. I'm probably going to give it to a friend of mine who has a shed slash a workshop. So I'll be putting this fan up in there. And then if you're wondering what the fan is in there, it's just a cheap junk Kmart ceiling fan. Not from the 90s. It's probably from the early 2000s. Probably from when I was born. John C., a YouTuber of mine, he did give me a solid state control with a low high speed trim. I do not have it hooked up. What I do have hooked up is this plug-in solid state control. I am not going to be including this. I'm just using it for now. Anyway, that's enough yammering. Let's start it up on low. Now, since that plug-in solid state control doesn't have a low speed trim, I could not adjust the low speed. So it's going to be like a medium low. But whatever. It is what it is. And I'm not going to be doing spin down. I'll make a separate video spin down. Maybe I'll do like a 0 to high and then spin down. But no spin down today. Alright, that's low. Now we'll go ahead and bump it to medium low. Here it is, medium low. Now this fan does take a while to get up to speeds, but I would see why, because these industrials, they carry these heavy metal blades, and I have picked this fan up before with all 3 blades, and it's pretty heavy, so I don't blame the industrials there. This fan does have a slight wobble, but not too crazy. But it is what it is. Alright, now we'll bump it up to medium. Sorry if you can't see the control really well. There's medium. Now, due to the fact that this fan is on a plug-in solid state control, it does have a buzz. I don't know if it buzzes on an actual solid state control with a trim. You guys are going to have to let me know. But it's not a bad performing fan. It performs like any industrial out there. It performs like a Hampton Bay Industrial. Probably this Industrial is faster than a Hampton Bay Industrial, but it performs equally to that. This fan has a big motor. I don't know what size motor. It's probably like a 210 by 25, I would guess, but I'm kidding. Blade pitch on this thing probably like 14 degrees. Probably like 17 degrees. Alright, now we'll go ahead and put it on medium high. See here, medium high. So yeah, this fan is not a really bad performing fan. It performs really well. As soon as I found out that this fan wobble, I'm like, well, it's not a surprise because industrials are known to wobble. Heck, the KDK industrials are known to wobble. You should see those things on all their speeds. I'm surprised the KDKs don't even fall out of their damn sockets. Anyway, now we'll go to high. Now, if I would have to guess, we're doing a whopping around like 310 RPM. This fan goes fast, so probably like a 310 RPM. I would say these fans fly. So yeah, I could definitely tell this fan would have been faster than the Hampton Bay Industrial. If I would still had that, we would have done a comparison. But without the Hampton Bay Industrial, I can just tell that this fan's faster. Anyway, well, that'll include our dark, spooky video. Oh my god. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.